Birds are dancing. Jenny, Jenny, Jenny always gets it done. Always gets it delivered. Birds are dancing to the sunset. There's the sunset. Birds. Look at these birds. Thousands and thousands of birds flying in the sky. More over there, right? I like this corner. Look at them. Oh, beautiful. Now I'm gonna land. I want them to fly. There you go. Fly, fly, fly. Follow the birds. Where are they going? You guys can't make up your mind or what? Who's the leader? Who's the leader of the birds? Going. Where you guys going? You coming back? I think you're coming back. Can you make up your mind? Where you guys going? Guess they don't know where to go. Oh, they landed over there, like thousands of them. Look at them. There's like thousands of birds over there. Wow, look at them, look at them. The birds. Birds, birds, birds. Birds. Where you guys going? Can't you think of something? Where are you going? Can you stand still? Trying to get the birds, dude. Chill out. Go. I like that. You guys can make up your mind or what? You decide where you guys gonna go before you attack me? Giving up on me. Johnny, 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 always getting it done, always getting it delivered. Attack of the Birds. See you at the next episode. See you at the next episode, Birdman. Birdman, where are you going? Where are you going? Come back. There they went.